Good morning, everyone. We have a lot to do today, so let's get right into this video. So I am going on vacation soon, so I'm trying to button up some stuff for the Supra. I may be taking it to my boy's house if I can't get it started, just to have him go through the entire car and make sure everything is copacetic and good to go. Got a bunch of shit here, new plug, all this stuff from ProWire USA. Huge shout out because they pretty much have everything I ever needed. I also have a shit ton of just random wire that I got. I'm going to be rewiring the relays, the whole system, the whole setup, everything from the fuel pumps all the way up to the ECU. All right, so now I'm going to attempt to wire up all my relays. I do electrical work, but I hate automotive electric. I don't like doing it. It's very little wires. Every wire looks the same. I will show you my setup in a second. Everything's kind of just pulled apart. I spoke to a buddy, the last tuner that tuned his car. I was talking to him about the starter and whatnot, and he kind of pointed me in a direction where I should be checking for. So here's my old setup. So I'm pretty sure these are your 12-volt power from the relays. So maybe they're just incorrect. I don't know, but as you can see, every wire is red. So to mitigate that, I'm going to change the color of the wire, and I'm going to write it down where the actual colors go. I might just leave these on there because this is diffuse power, so your main power will come into here and then go from here, and then main power would go into here. You have your low side controls, and you have your power to here, and then the actual power straight to the battery. So if I can't figure it out, I am going on vacation, so when you see this video, I might already be on vacation. And I asked a buddy of mine if I could drop it off maybe Sunday or maybe like Monday night. I'll pick up his a trailer Monday night, and I'll drop it off at his shop. Just to have him just go through the whole thing. He said it shouldn't be that bad. He's like, he won't be doing much. It's probably just some little electrical nuisance that he's like, that I'll fix, I'll correct and everything, and I'll try to get the car started. Sucks because I probably won't, if it comes to that, I probably won't be able to hear the car start first. He probably will hear it, but he's not going to send me a video of it, which I'm okay with. Alright, another quick update. I get everything apart, but I had to run a couple errands, and for some odd reason out of nowhere my stomach started hurting like crazy, so I took a quick nap, ran the rest of my errands, and picked up a package which I'll show you guys in a second. But let me update you guys on what's going on with the fuel system. So looking at everything and going off of what the relay pins are, this is all hooked up correctly. It's just this is the only wire that I'm going to cut short. I may pin it a little bit more because these wires are very, very tiny. They're really not good for 12 volt. What I'm going to do is I'm going to clip this off, and I'm going to run this straight to either the battery, or I'll probably just run it straight over to here as well. So I'm going to take care of that real quick. I'm probably going to rerun the low side wires with my new wire right here. I have yellow is going to be pump 1, and then I'm going to use the black green as the low side 2 for the other 2 fuel pumps. But I'm going to do that shit real quick. But first I'm going to unbox something real quick. This has nothing to do with cars, but I'm super excited to get this. So let me unbox that real quick for you guys. Okay, so this is what I've been talking about. If you see my Instagram stories, I've been waiting on. This is from Bravo Company. Okay, so judging from first glance, this is already extremely well packaged. Let me take everything out, and I will kind of just spread it out over the table. So this is what was in a box. Of course, they always got the stickers, which I'm going to put these up. Came with a gunfighter mag. Oh, it also came with the hat. I'm not very good with hats, but I'm still going to try it on because I've never actually tried the hats like this. I have a very tiny head, so hats don't always look good on me, and I have big ass ears too. So this is exactly as I anticipated. This is actually a lot slimmer than I thought. This is BCM's 11.5 inch upper receiver. I chose them because there was a lot of people that rave about their barreling system, that these guys have 20-30,000 rounds through it and not even a problem. I'm not going to go into any more detail with that. I'm going to continue with the Supra and try to figure out my starter, my fuel pumps, and we can go from there. Hopefully it's just a little mixed up with the tune, and they just have to change some inputs and outputs and stuff like that, and it should work. This is where I'm left right now. As you can see, I don't have the plug on. I just kind of rigged pins to go straight into the fuel pumps because I was just gonna try doing that. I had an issue up front with the harness wires. I'm not even gonna go into it. I was just having issues and I couldn't get this squared away. You can see I just kind of have the power wire going to there. Why you need 2 power wires, I have no clue. But this is where I stand right now with it. I'm going to leave it like this because I think I found a solution. And that solution is me not actually finishing it. So when you guys see this video, I might already be on leave. I am going home on vacation. So I don't want the car just sitting here. I'd rather at least get it running, and I will talk with my buddy to see if he wants to do the logs and send them to me, and I'll send them to the tuner. Unfortunately, I won't be the first one to hear it run, but you know what? I mean, shit happens. It is what it is. As long as he can get it started and fix the little quirks and whatnot. This video is actually going to pick up the following morning, and I'm going to be... Man, this is crazy. So I'm going to be going to my boy's house, grabbing his trailer because he has a flatbed trailer, coming all the way back here, loading this car up, taking it back to him and dropping off his trailer. So that's where we stand for now. Like I said, I'm gonna pick this video up the following morning. It's probably gonna be stupid early in the morning. He said he would pick it up for me, and that's why I have a diesel truck, is to tow. So I kind of want to tow it myself. I don't know, I just enjoy towing. I'm weird. Enough talking. Let's just skip to tomorrow. Alright, good morning. So today's the next day, obviously, and I'm on my way to go pick up my buddy's trailer. It's going to be a long day, but I need to go get gas, get my energy. I need my caffeination in my life, and then I'll just quickly update you guys once I grab the trailer or when I'm back home, whichever one. So I just picked up my energy, my caffeination, and some breakfast. I love these things so much. Now let's go get this trailer. All right, so I just picked up the trailer. Thankfully he let me keep it for like a day or two, so I'm gonna load the car up probably tonight, and I'll take it to work tomorrow with me, and I'll just cut out of work a little bit early to get it to him. Okay, so I just picked up the trailer, got back home, but I have to take the whole front end apart. It's just gonna make it easier, and it's gonna give me a lot more clearance. I am going to be loading the car backwards onto the trailer.
I'm feeling bad for people that living for the weekend, the type that wanna be dreaming but never got to see them. What a boring story, being worried back and for me, working and snoring would end up forcing me right off the deep end. I came to gain a brain and make a couple bucks, provide for those who've been riding close, yeah, that's just a plus. I'm condoning going forward for those with a motive, undivided focus, opened all the roads we're taking up. Try to get in the zone, gotta go grind, I'm better alone. Forward they're telling me I am a better me, I don't know why, but I fly on my own. Now I'm building up, I don't think I'm coming down. Even stars start to shine when they underground. Lamborghini.
Bumper's off, headlights are on the side. Easy to take the bumper off, 4 bolts, and then there's some pop screws here and a couple pop screws along the fender liners. So now just gotta move that car out. I'm probably gonna pull the truck all the way around, and then we will be able to push this all the way out, forward and then back. I got out of work a little bit earlier today. I changed real quick and I'm on my way to my boy's shop to drop off the car. I don't know if I'll update you guys when I'm fully home or when I'm there or what's going to happen. I don't know yet. Car's unloaded. I'm not actually backing the trailer up because I suck, and I'm letting him do it because, again, I suck. But we just dropped the car off right now. It's in very, very, very good hands. If you guys are interested, Ava Dynamics, I'll link all his stuff down below. He's the only person that touches this car. I don't know if he does any other cars. I don't know, ask him. But as you can see, he's got my car, he's got my boy's car. I don't know whose car that is, but he's got another one. Normally he has like 30 of them in here. If you're in the Norcal area, you have a 2JZ, this guy is the guy to go to. Again, Ava Dynamics, I'll link all his information down below. And he's doing a way better job at backing that up than me. So he's finishing up with that real quick. I'm probably gonna take off right away. He's got family and shit. I gotta get home. I gotta start cleaning my house and stuff because I will be on leave, and you guys are seeing this video when I'm probably already home on leave. Like I said, car's in good hands. It does look sexy as fuck. and I cannot wait to hear this car running for the first time in almost 2 years. Bye baby, miss you, see you in 6 weeks. Don't mind that, that is going to be painted to color match, don't worry, it's coming. Okay, so I just finished up editing that video. It didn't take too long, and oh shit. Yeah, I'm watching HD TV. Video didn't take that long. It's kind of, there wasn't much going on in this video because, like I said, as you can see, I'm still in my hotel room. I'm on training right now. This video was supposed to drop a little bit sooner, but I was just kind of enjoying the time off with my family and a couple of my really good friends. So I really didn't edit much while I was home, so I'm waiting until I was here, and this whole weekend I'm going to be editing. So when you see this video, it'll probably be Saturday your time as well. Again, this video is kind of all over the place. We did make some headway. My boy just texted me. He said that I wasn't receiving a crank signal. So he's gonna kind of address that. He said he had to play around with the harness and the ECU pinouts and everything, but he's like, I think there wasn't a crank signal and that's why your car wasn't starting, or at least kicking. So I'm positive he's gonna figure it out. I still have another week here. Even if he doesn't have it done in a week, it's not a big deal. As long as it gets running and when he's getting ready to start it and everything. I hope you guys made it all the way to the end of this video. As boring as it may have been, I apologize again. I'm trying my hardest to try to get some editing going and stuff like that. You guys already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to swing over to my Instagram right here. That's going to conclude today's video. Stay hungry, stay humble, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. Killing the game and I gotta